Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see some well must known formulas for descriptive statistics in Microsoft Excel. While these functions are for measures of center, these one also represents measures of difference, of spread. These functions will help you to understand your data much better. To be able to find the mean of a sample data, all you have to do is use the average function. You can choose your numbers manually, or you can simply choose an array. Once you close the parentheses and hit enter, you will be able to see the mean. To be able to find a median, just like its name, write median and then choose your array. Close your parentheses and hit the enter. And the median will give you the number which is right in the center when you sorted your database. In this case, our median number is 192nd number when this data is all sorted. So when you sorted all your data from smallest to biggest, our 192nd number is 22. The mode function could be a little bit tricky because there is mode single and mode mult. If you choose mode single, it is only going to give a single mode. Let's say that we use this sample data, and in this sample data there are 3 22s and 3 24s. So when I will hit the formula for mode single, it is going to only bring me 22, which is only one single mode and is the first one appearing in the sample data. To be able to write down all the modes, I have to write the mode mult formula and then choose my data, and then although there's function here, it is going to bring the second value right under it. So even if you have one mode number, the mode mult will bring it to you. Now we can check for the measures of spread. To be able to find the standard deviation, all you have to do is standard deviation.s, which represents the sample data, while standard deviation p represents the whole population. Because we have a sample data, we will choose standard deviation.s. So choose your array and then close the parentheses. And it is going to give you the standard deviation. For variance, you have to choose var.s. Just like the standard deviation.s, it is also going to look at the variance of the sample data. Hit tab and then choose your array. Close your parentheses and then hit enter. To be able to find your range, you'll need to find the maximum and the minimum number first. To be able to find it, write max and then choose your data, hit enter, and min just works exactly the same. So this means that your maximum number is 44 and your minimum number is 14, and range is the difference between them. So maximum minus minimum represents 30, which the range of the sample data is 30. You can also use quartile and percentile functions to understand your data much better. Quartile function divides your data into 4 equal pieces and tells you the interval for your dataset. To do that, you have to write the quartile dot inclusive. The exclusive quartile function is going to exclude the first and the last quartile, while inclusive will add it in your function. So after writing the formula, choose your array, and then once you hit the semicolon, you will have to choose which quartile that you would like to show. If we choose 0, we will be able to see that it is equal to our minimum number, which it shows this section. You can also write manually, or you can just select a cell which represents the value of the quartile. So you can easily just copy the formula and then show your numbers just like this. As you can see, our second quartile equals the median, which is this section, and our fourth quartile equals to the max number, which is right in here. You can use the percentile function just like quartile function. The percentile function will also show you the other percentiles, which the quartile function cannot show. All you have to do is write percentile inclusive, and then choose your array, and after you put the semicolon, you have to write down the exact float number for k. Let's say that we're looking for the 18th percentile, so all we have to write down is 0.80. And as you can see, our 80th percentile is the number 27. You can also check that if we wrote down 75, we were going to get 27, which is the third quartile. You can use these functions to understand your data much better. And also in Excel, there's a simple method that you can use to find these simple summary statistics. All you have to do is click on data, and you will be able to find the data analysis section in here. If you don't have it, it means that you still haven't downloaded it. So go to options, go to add-ins, and then once you click on go, check analysis toolpack and then OK in this section. Once you do that, you will be able to use the data analysis section and then choose Descriptive Statistics. Then input your range, and if you also selected your title, you also have to select this one, but in this case we didn't, so we're going to not check it. And then click on Summary Statistics. Let's say that we want it in a new workbook, and once you hit OK, you will be able to see the summary statistics, and also it matches with our own results. I hope this video was informative enough. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. And also follow for more. Thanks for watching.